Hello people, hello words and hello Philippines. It's me again guys, is a big vlog. Ayan, shoutout sa lahat ng mga Pilipino sa buong daigdig. So, i-updates po natin mga kababayan yung mga nakuhang investment ng ating mahal na Pangulo dyan po sa Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. So, malalaman po natin dito kung magkano ang kanyang nakuhang investment dyan sa Riyadh. At yan, nakikita nyo ang Pangulo. Sinalubungan po siya ng French Crown ng Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. Alam nyo naman Pangulo guys, laging may sideline yan, kausap ang mga business leader. Maliban doon sa mga importanteng pag-usapan ng world leaders. So, ngayon mga kababayan, babasahin ko po sa inyo or magkano po ang kanyang nakuha dyan na investment sa Saudi Arabia. So, ayan po ang ating mahal na Pangulo. Kasama po ang mga world leaders. Wow! Naku, grabe, no? Pero ang pinakamagaling mag-English dyan, kundi ang Pangulo ng Pilipinas, of course, guys. So, yun guys, para po sa inyong lahat ito para ma-updates kayo sa mga investment na nakuha ng ating mahal na Pangulo. At pakinggan doon niyo po ang kanyang speech, at pakinggan din po natin yung sinabi ni kanyang sekretary at yung kanyang yung ibang gabinitis niya para malaman po natin lahat ang kanilang komento tungkol dito sa mga investment na nakuha ng ating mahal na Pangulong Marcos Jr. So yun guys, at bago natin panoorin, don't forget to like, hit the button bell para lagi kayo update sa aking mga upload videos.
To our current and future business partners, I hope that this meeting has served as an excellent platform for building greater and closer partnerships between the Philippines and the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. I assure you that the Philippine government is steadfast in its commitment to continuously support current and prospective Saudi investors. We continue to reaffirm our readiness for deeper economic partnerships, not just within the Southeast Asian region, but as well as with our extended neighbors here.
So, yun guys, babasahin po natin dito sa PCO. The Philippine Business Delegation signed an investment agreement worth more than 4.26 billion with Saudi business leaders on Thursday at the sidelines of President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. attendance at the Association of South Asian Nation Gulf Cooperation Council, which is a GCC summit in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. So kung nakikita nyo dito guys, ay napakalaki po ang kanyang nakuha, no? At bukod pa dyan, no, kung babasahin po natin na napakahaba ito guys, ay maglilikha po yan ng 15,000 na manggagawang Pinoy, no? So napaka magandang news yan mga kababayan. So yan po ang kanyang nakuhang investment doon. Sigurado kasado na po yan guys kasi nagkaroon ng permahan yan Fiat Saudi Inc. over 4.26 billion investment agreement during the PBBM visit, and yan yung pagbisita niya nga dyan. 4.27 billion kamo di magkano ang dollars ngayon, equivalent to Philippine money, ang laki yan guys So ganun pa man mga kababayan, very nakaka-overwhelm yung pamamalakad ni Pangulong Marcos Jr. Ika nga work president, siya na po ang nagtatrabaho talaga para sa mamamayang Pilipino. But anyway guys, ganun pa man guys, pakinggan po natin ang kanyang short statement habang kausap niya yung mga world leaders and of course ang kanyang secretary Fred Pascual.
Sa negosyo, sabihin ready tayo mag-receive ng mga investments at hanggat maaari nga yung mga production na ginagawa ngayon dito sa Saudi at pinapadala natin yung mga workers natin, ang pwedeng mangyari mag-invest sa Pilipinas ang mga taga rito sa Saudi at iba pang Gulf countries para doon gawin ang production nila at doon magtrabaho na sa Pilipinas yung ating mga skilled workers.
This is an excellent forum for us to market the Philippines as an investment destination for the Saudi Arabian companies. There seems to be a lot of interest in the sectors of energy, agriculture, telecommunications, and finance. I am also very pleased that we were able to sign a memorandum of agreement today, a solid one, between Samsung Engineering and EI Corporation to build a 500-person training facility in Tanza, Cavite.
Wow.
This will be the training facility to train the Filipino skilled workers that will be sent eventually here to Saudi to work on a lot of their projects. And we're talking about multi-$100 million projects here in Saudi Arabia.
Oh my
so a great
goodness.
employment opportunity for our people.
Wow.